Hello everyone. Today, we are creating a healthy and delicious 6-inch almond oats cake without eggs and artificial sugars. Let's dive in. Start by soaking 1 cup of pitted dates in warm water, then blend them into a smooth paste. For our egg-free alternative, mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 5 tablespoons of water. Let this sit for about 15 minutes until it forms a chia egg. In a mixing bowl, combine half cup almond flour, half cup oats flour, 1/4 cup whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, and half teaspoon cinnamon. In another bowl, whisk together the chia egg, date paste, half cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup melted coconut oil. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, and fold in some chopped nuts for extra texture. Pour the mixture into a greased 6-inch cake pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Once cooled, this wholesome treat is ready to enjoy. Simple, nutritious, and oh so delicious.